Hey, what's up guys, it's Faisal here and welcome back to Driving Side. In this video I'll be covering how to deal with blue lights. What should you do if there was an ambulance behind you? Should you go through a red light or jump in the bus lane? There is so many traffic rules drivers are breaking because of the emergency service and getting themselves in big trouble. So please watch this video until the very end and I hope you get some value out of it. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I bring a video on road safety awareness every week, and don't forget to turn the notification on. So, what should you do if there was an emergency vehicle behind you or around you? Okay, the most important thing is to stay safe and calm. Okay, look and listen, and do try to help the emergency vehicle get to their destination safely. Okay, if you hear a siren, expect something is coming towards you and start planning. Keep the noise down inside your vehicle, so maybe you have to turn the music off or stop the conversation you was having. Okay, and look for some way to pull over if it is safe to do so. Always remember to stay off the curbs, pavements and soft verges. Now remember, emergency services comes in different size and shapes, so if you do stop, consider the space you leave for them so that they can get through safely. The most important thing is to stay safe and legal. Okay, at the traffic lights, the emergency service will try to find their way around you. So they don't want you to get through a red light. They usually turn the siren off and wait behind you. So please don't cross over, stop behind the solid white line. Okay, that's not what they want you to do. The only time you can get through a red light is if there was a police officer in uniform in the middle of the junction directing the traffic. In that case, if they give you a specific instruction, please follow their instruction exactly as they give it to you. Otherwise, stop behind the solid white line. Also be careful and don't enter a bus lane, please, especially if the bus lane is in operation. Let the emergency service allow them to go into the bus lane and let them go through. Okay, don't put yourself in a bus lane when it's in operation. Okay, at the junction be very careful and don't brake sharply and suddenly, because the drivers behind might not have the same view that you have. Okay, so don't overtake the emergency vehicles, especially on dual carriageways and motorways. Don't overtake them, and also keep a safe distance between you and them. Okay, now if you are on a solid white line system, now until you come to a stop, they will not be able to legally overtake you. So keep going, don't panic, just carry on, keep going. Once you go out of that system, then they will turn the siren back on again, because while you're in the solid white line, they will turn the siren off because they will not put the pressure on you. Once you come out of the system, they'll turn the siren back on so they can go around you. Okay, so just keep going, don't panic. If you are on a bend or a brow of a hill and it's not safe for them to overtake, just keep going, stay calm, keep going, and until you get to a safe space with a good view ahead. Just carry on, keep going. They will find their way around and they will continue after the bend or the brow of the hill. Also check your mirrors, especially because they might be giving you a specific direction or signal where they want you to go. So just look at your mirrors and find out what they're telling you to do. If there was a police officer behind you, then you got to also be very careful, because the signal that they're giving you, it could actually meant for yourself. Okay, so do pull over, because that signal could be for you. If you do slow down or come to a stop, don't hesitate and cause further confusion. Just allow them to get through completely. Okay, and also listen for the siren, because if there was more than one emergency vehicle, then they will actually change the sound. They'll actually use different sounds, so you understand that they're coming in different vehicles. So look around before you move off again. All right, and so remember to stay calm. The most important thing is to stay calm, be observant. With good planning and anticipation, you can help save someone's life. Okay, also remember not to endanger yourself or put yourself in a position where you are ending up breaking some traffic rules. Okay, so not to break any traffic rules and endanger yourself. Okay, Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, please don't forget to like and share, and your comment is always appreciated, so please comment down below for me, because I'm still learning from your comments, from your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn the notification on. Okay, so until next week, use the road safely. Take care. Bye for now.